oldie, but this is a darn good goodie, okay? Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl, Chrissy M, and welcome back to your girl's channel. I have been MIA for the longest time, but I have been working. I have not been slacking. So for all the new subscribers onto my channel, hey, what's up y'all? Welcome to your girl's channel. So excited for you guys to be here. My channel is all about makeup. I do fashion, reviews. I do a little bit of everything. So if you guys have any like suggestions for videos, definitely leave it in like the comments down below. I will make sure to answer the comments. But yeah, if you are coming onto my channel, you are new, hey, what's up? Welcome to your girl's channel. Okay, make it to the end of the video, hit the subscribe button and that post notification bell so you are notified when I do upload new videos. Let's go ahead and hop into the video.
Life is what you make it. My shit been amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford.
So look, this is the deal. I have so much makeup. A lot of new makeup. I've been on TikTok doing a lot of makeup videos. If you are not yet following your girl on TikTok, go to misskrissym on TikTok. That's where I've been lately. I've been posting a lot of content on there, but it's time for me to get back to YouTube as well because this is my first love in the beginning. So, all right, so first we're gonna start with eyes. I always do the eyeshadow first before anything. I've already done my brows. I've been trying to do like this natural fluffy brow look that all the girls have been doing. It's really trending. So, and I'm kind of liking it. It makes doing my eyebrows so much easier. So, yeah, maybe I'll do like a little, video on it to show you all how I do it. But I'm gonna prime my eyes with the P. Louise base, my favorite, oh my gosh. And also, the palette that I'm gonna be using today is by Wet n Wild. Let me tell you, Wet n Wild, LA girl, all these drugstore brands, they are coming up on their palettes, on their products. They have been dropping banging products back to back to back to back. All right, so this palette from Wet n Wild was actually $2.99, but look at how stunning these colors are. Oh my goodness, you guys, they are so pretty. Oh my gosh, so this is their 5-pan shadow palette, okay? The shades are so pretty. Oh my gosh, this camera is not doing justice at all. I thought that with me being on the floor instead of in my vanity that this would be better, but I may have to switch back to my vanity. This is the color, y'all. Look at the color. So pretty. It's really pretty rich orange. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna pick that up and I'm just going to pat that into my eye for a transition shade. So literally, I'm just going to start off here, almost where my crease would be. Like where the crease would be, that's where you want to start off, and I'm just patting it. And the reason why I'm patting it and not just spreading it all across my lid is because I want all of that color to be on top of my actual lid. I feel as if you're just rubbing and smearing it onto your lid, you're gonna lose color. You can always go back in or go back through and just blend it out lightly with a blending brush. But for right now, we're just going to pat that color in until you get it to the shade that you want it to be. So you can have it as bright, or if you want it to be like a little bit more mellow, you can do that. All right, so going in now with this rustic deep orange, we're just going to place that up above the color that we just applied for a transition shade. I'm going in with that same brush. I love this brush by Dominique Cosmetics. It's called the Blend and Shade Brush, D503 or DS03, that is. I absolutely love her brushes. Like, they're so great. And she's a YouTuber too as well, so if you haven't checked her out, definitely check her out. She has some really great products for her makeup brand, her line. And literally just going right under where we put that orange, and we're just going to get it to where it's deep enough to give us like a smoky effect. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're going to cut the crease. I'm gonna go back in with my P. Louise base, and the brush that I'm gonna be using is the Morphe M224. My favorite brush for doing my brows or even cutting my crease. It's a really good brush. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with my pigment brush. This is DS07 by Dominique Cosmetics, and we're gonna pick up some of these pretty colors. Going with that rustic orange one more time because we want to taper out the end of our eye right here. We're gonna do like an ombre effect, so I definitely want to just make sure all the tones go in evenly. So since we ended off with that color, it only makes sense to put it at the end of our eyes before going in with our metallics. Now we're gonna go in with the metallics. So the first color that we're gonna use is this one right here. Oh, it's so rich and buttery. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. So pretty. So I'm just placing this towards the middle, and I'm honestly just kind of bringing that in with that deeper color so it looks like it goes together, even though it doesn't, but you want everything to blend nicely and you want it to look nicely. And if you guys could see this just coming to life, hopefully the camera lighting isn't so off, but it just comes together so nicely, all of the colors. All right, so now we're gonna move into mascara before we add on our lashes. I have the Jet Set, it's LA Girl Jet Set Mascara. Oh my gosh, talk about extreme volume. This gives me so much life when I apply it to my lashes. I honestly like it a little bit better than the Sky High. I know the Sky High is very popular, it went viral, but this one is just as good. And it gives me like so much volume. It's a really good mascara. All right, so my camera's not focusing. I'm gonna have to figure that out. But this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice. It's a hydrating moisturizer, and it's perfect for oily skin or combination skin as well. So I'm just going to apply this to my face. It is so important to hydrate. Like, I didn't really used to, or moisturize. I didn't really used to moisturize my face like that, but now that I'm into like doing my skincare, like I have to moisturize my skin before applying any foundation, especially since I use matte foundations. You don't want your skin to be dried out from the actual setting powders or the matte foundation. So next to prime my face, I'm gonna go in with the Smashbox. This is their Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. And we're just going to like literally, oh, okay, put it where my pores are on my face and just kind of like rub that in. Not really rub it, but like kind of pat that into the face. Ooh, that feels different. Ooh, that feels kind of nice. I don't know if I put too much. Next, we're gonna move into a product that went viral on my TikTok that I used, oh my gosh, to hide these dark circles. These dark circles are driving me crazy. So this concealer is 24-hour concealer. It's transfer proof, it's water resistant, it's transfer proof, it's waterproof, and it also is smudge resistant. This concealer is on fire. It is on point. First and foremost, and it hides any darkness or anything, you know, up under the eye that you do not want to show. So I just want to show you all like how full coverage this is. Now this shade is a little bit lighter, which is fine. It's okay to have a nice little highlight up underneath the eyes, you know, every once in a while. But let me go ahead and get my beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend this in so that way you guys can actually see how powerful this is. So now that we have our foundation on and everything, I went ahead and added my foundation, concealer, and everything. We're gonna go in with the LA Girl. This is their Pastel Dream white eyeliner. I'm just going to put it up underneath my eyes just to brighten the eye a little. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with this bronzer. It's by Bakerie. This is a Black-owned company I literally just found out about, and they have it at Target. So I'm so excited because she really has some really great products. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of that, and I'm just going to just give me a nice little contour just here. Nothing major, just a little bit there, and then we're going to add blush and highlight. Next, we're gonna go with ColourPop's their Super Shock Cheek. The shade that I'm gonna be using is Drop of Hat. So pretty. Oh, this nice orangey tone is perfect for my makeup look for today. This is actually pretty like pigmented. Like if you didn't want to add a highlighter, all you have to do is just add your setting spray and literally go about your business, because it gives you color and it gives you like that nice highlight. But I'm extra AF, so I'm probably still going to add a little bit of a highlighter. But this is really, really, really pigmented. Do you guys see that? So much life. Now, as far as lip, I'm gonna go in with the Becca. This is their Ultimate Define Lip Definer. The shade of this one is Energetic. And then e.l.f. has these amazing satin-like lipsticks, but they almost feel like they're matte. They're nothing like satiny, but I absolutely love it, and it looks so good compared up with that lip liner. So we're gonna do that right now.
We kiss and lie in bed to fill awkward silences. Do we feel emptiness afterwards? 'Cause I want something deeper.
The lips are on point. I love it. I love the combo. Now we're gonna set our face with the Urban Decay All Nighter. This is an oldie, but this is a darn good goodie, okay? I haven't used it in a long time, but I love it. I love it.
If I find him, I'ma keep him. Not saying I'm some genius.
I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you are new to my channel and you made it to the end of the video, hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you are notified when I do upload videos, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.
Life is what you make it. I should been a